Hi guys, so this is a tutorial I made showing you guys how to do very simple box braids. With this method you can never go wrong. You can use it to braid afro textured hair or fine textured hair. So I want you to follow me to the end of this tutorial so you can actually be able to do it just like this. Let's get started. So right here you can see I have sectioned the parts that I am going to be working with into 3 equal parts. The next thing I'm going to do is to divide the extension into 2 uneven parts, and I'm going to cross it over each other. So the part that I'm going to be holding on my right hand side, I'm going to flip it in such a way that I would be able to slide my index finger in between the part that I have on my left hand side. So having slipped my finger right there, I'm going to pinch the middle section and I'm going to pick up the part that is on my left hand side and join it with the extension that is on my left hand side. So I'm going to slide my index finger underneath, pick up the part that is on my right hand side and slide it in between the index finger. So I'm going to keep sliding my index finger underneath the hair, just making this movement while I grip onto the hair very tightly. So I'm going to continue braiding down until I get to a point where I will close the hair. So I have a video where I demonstrated how to close braids. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to be linking it somewhere on the screen or in the description box. In that video, I detailed on how to close braids using 2 different styles. So yeah, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If you liked this tutorial, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as that will help me out a lot. Thank you so much and God bless.